Hey everyone. So for your final exam, you are going to be doing a tour of Frida Kahlo's Blue House. This is the museum. Um, it starts with the entrance, and you can click all the different rooms here. And as you go through the rooms, you can use either just pushing up and down your screen, or there are arrows down here that can take you up and around the rooms. Um, you are going to be answering questions for a scavenger hunt, and you are also going to be answering questions on your favorite artworks. So when I'm talking about your favorite artworks, you're picking three of them and you're writing at least 75 words on each. And then you're doing a copy with whatever materials you want to use of one of these artworks. So the artwork would be in silo 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And the other parts of the scavenger hunt will be throughout the house, and you're looking for certain items. When you write about the scavenger hunt or you do screenshots, um, you're looking for those particular items. When you're actually writing about it, I need you to write in full sentences. And I expect that your sentences will not be the same as other people in the class. If you do not write in full sentences, you're going to lose marks. So that is really important that you are writing in full sentences and they are your own sentences. So if you just hand in what somebody else in the class wrote, that is considered cheating and you'll get a 0 or you'll have to redo it. And you'll also get written up because it is considered cheating. So even though I know you guys are on the room, you have the same questions, you still need to write your own sentences with the answers. Okay. If you guys have questions, please let me know. You have 24 hours to complete this museum tour, and I am here to answer anything you have questions about. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy this final exam.